Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class we have studied division. Do you remember that? Yes, division, division. We get after the division is called the quotient. Open your mouth and say the answer. We get after the division is called the quotient. Okay, Vamma? Say the spelling for quotient. 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 Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for quotient. 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 Okay, Vamma? Then I will ask some question. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have completed this 4. Is that no ma? Yes. Okay. Addition means the addition symbol is plus. We get after the addition is called the sum. S-U-M, sum. Okay. Subtraction. Subtraction symbol is minus. Subtraction symbol is minus. We get after the subtraction is called the difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Then multiplication. Multiplied by. The symbol is called multiplied by. We get after the multiplication is called the product. We get after the multiplication is called the product. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay, Vamma? Then division. Division answer is called the quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. In the previous class we have studied multiplication and division facts. Yes, every multiplication facts has how many division facts? Every multiplication fact has how many division facts? Open your mouth and say 2. Okay. Every multiplication fact has 2 division facts. Every division facts has 2 multiplication facts. Okay, Vamma? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now, in this class we will see some sums. Okay, Vamma? First, divide. D-I-V-I-D-E, divide 68 by 2. Divide 68 by 2. Okay, Vamma? Here you write 68. Okay, this question. Now we have to use the 2 table. Okay, now we have to use the 2 table. Which table? 2 table. Okay, all of you open your mouth and say the spelling for 2 table. Shall I write here the 2 table? Okay, open your mouth and say the table. 1, 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18. And 10 twos are 20. Okay, Vamma? 2 table you should write. Okay. all of you should write the 2 table next the red line. Okay, shall we read the 2 table? Shall we read the 2 table? Okay, open your mouth and read the 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Okay, Mama? Now, see here, ones and tens. Okay, divide the tens place first. Divide the highest place first. Okay, 6. Now we want 6. Okay, how many 2s are 6? How many 2s are 6? See here, how many 2s are 6? 3 2s are 6. How many 2s are 6? 3 2s are 6. So you write here 3. Okay, Mama? 3 2s are 6. You write it here. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Then subtract. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, Mama? This one, you bring it down. Okay, this one you bring it down. What is this number? 8. 8 you write it here. Okay, 8 you should write here. Now, how many 2s are 8? How many 2s are 8? See here, 4 2s are 8. How many 2s are 8, Ma? 4 2s are 8. So you write here 4 2s are 8. Okay, now you subtract 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8. 8 லேருந்து 8 கழிச்சா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 0. Okay, so the answer is 34. So the answer is 34. Okay, you write here 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. Okay, Mama? 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, now open your maths note. Take new page and write the sum. Do you understand? Take new page and write class work. CW, class work. Take new page and write. Okay, Mama? Divide 6. Divide 6 tens by 2. Okay, recall the table of 2 till you get 6. Recall the table of 2 till you get 6. Since 3 2s are 6. Yes. So write 3 at the top. Write 3 at the top. Write 6 below the tens digit. Okay, 6 below the tens digit. And subtract 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down 8 and divide it by 2. Bring down 8. Okay, Mama? Kile 8 kondu varom. Then we have to use the 2 table and find. Okay, recall the table of 2 till you get 8. Recall the table of 2 till you get 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 4, write 4 at the top and below 8 the ones digit. Okay, and 8 below the ones digit. 4 you should write the top and 8 you should write it below. Then you subtract 8 minus 8, 0. Now the answer is 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. All of you have it written? Okay, shall we see the next one? Divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide 85 by 5. Divide 85 by 5. Okay, 85 you write here. Use the fifth table. Now we want fifth table. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, write the fifth table. Open your mouth and say the fifth table. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. And 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. Okay, Mama. Now all of you read the fifth table. All of you read the fifth table. Okay, shall we read? Read louder. All of you see here and read louder. Okay, 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. Okay, Mama. First see the tens place. Which number is? What is this number? 8. What is this number? 8. Okay. Here any 8? No. Then you find the below value. Okay, 1. So you write here. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. Now you subtract this one. இங்கே 8 இல்லலாமா? ஆன்சர் சைடில் 8 இருக்கா? இல்லை. அப்போ நம்ம அதோட சின்ன வேல்யூ எங்கே இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதை ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Now you subtract 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. Then bring down 5. Bring down 5 once and divide it by 5. Okay. Bring down 5 once and divide it by 5. Okay. You search here any 35. Recall the table of 5 till you get 35. Okay. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. And 10 5s are 50. There is any 35 value? Yes. 7 5s are 35. Write 7. Okay. Write 7 at the top and 35 below the tens digit. Okay, Mama. 7 5s are 35. Now you subtract 35 minus 35, 0. 35 minus 35, 0. Okay. You take and write the answer here. Therefore, 85 divided by 5 is equal to 17. 85 divided by 5 is equal to 17. 85 divided by 5 is equal to 17. Okay, Mama. Divide 85 by 5. Use the fifth table. Divide 8 tens by 5. Recall the table of 5 till you get 5. Okay, till you get 8, but there is no 8. Then we have to see the less than value of 8. Okay, then we will get 5. 1 5 is 5. Write 1. at the top and 5 you should write it below. Okay, then subtract 8 minus 3, sorry 8 minus 5, then we will get 3. Okay, bring down 5 once and divide it by 5. Okay, then another one time recall the table of 5 till you get 35. Okay, 7 5s are 35. 7, you write 7 at the top and 35 you should write it below. Okay, then 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, Mama, do you understand? Okay, now open your maths note and write. Copy the class book. Write neatly. And all of you should write the table. Okay. After the margin line, after the red line, one red line is there, yes. அந்த ரெட் லைனுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த சம்மில் என்ன டேபிள் கேட்டிருக்கோம் அந்த டேபிள் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கணும், கண்டிப்பாக ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். I will check your notes. So all of you write neatly, do it your work properly. Okay, okay, right. I am waiting for you. All of you write neatly. Say and write. Okay, open your mouth, say and write the table. வாயை திறந்து சொல்லி சொல்லி எழுது. அப்போ தான் உனக்கு அது என்ன செய்யும், மனப்பாடம் ஆகும். சும்மா பார்த்து 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 எழுதுனீன்னா ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. All of you have written. Shall we see the next sum? Okay, done. Okay, listen, close your note. Don't write anything, listen. Look at here. Look at here, okay? The third sum, divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide 72 by 3. 72 by 3. You write here 72 and 3. Okay, now we are using the third table. Which table? Third table. Okay, so all of you write here third table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. And 10 3s are 30. Okay, all of you open your mouth and read the table. Okay, read louder. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. 10 3s are 30. Okay, now use the table and do the sum. Okay, first see the tens place value. First we have to see the tens place value. What is this number? What is this number? 7. Okay, you search, recall the third table till we will get 7. Here is 7. No, 7 irukama answer la. There is no 7. Okay, so you see the below value. 7 oda chinna number enna irukunu paakanum. 6 is here. Yes, yes or no? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 you should write the top and 6 you take and write the tens place. Okay vama, idla first la irukra number mela poirno, last la irukra number keela vandirno. Okay, then you write here 2 you should write up, then 6 you take and write here. Okay, then subtract 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Open your mouth and say the answer. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, then this 2 you bring it down. Okay, this 2 you bring it down. Now what is this number? 1 2. This is, you read it together. What is this number? 12. Okay, what is this number? 12. Okay, now recall the table. Find 12. Where is 12? 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 4 you take and write here, and 12 you should write it down. Now subtract. 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12. 0. Okay, so now the answer is 24. Okay, 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. This is quotient. Yes, this is the answer, this is remainder. Okay, now we want the answer only. So this is the answer. The answer is 24. The answer is 24. Can you understand? Can you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now take new page and write this sum. Take new page and write this sum. Divide 72 by 3. Divide 72 by 3. Write the 3 table and do it yourself. Okay, already we have studied the 2 sums. Yes, this is the third one. So write the sum, then do it yourself. Then do it yourself. Then you have to see the answer. Okay vama, question eludiko, நீனே பண்ணி பாரு. உனக்கு வந்திருக்க ஆன்சரும் மேமுக்கு வந்திருக்க ஆன்சரும் சரியாக இருக்கான்னு என்ன பண்ணணும்? செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, all of you have written? Write neatly. I am waiting for you. Write neatly. Okay. All of you have written? Okay, very good. Take next page and write today's homework. Okay, take the next page and write. Okay, mama, homework. HW, homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Compulsory you should write today's day and date. Okay. Write divide. 1 sum, 1 page. Okay, I am writing here 5 sums, but you should write 1 sum, 1 page. Okay, ஒரு sum ஒரு பேஜ்ல தான் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஒரே பேஜ்ல அவ்வளவு சமையும் செஞ்சு வச்சிர கூடாது. (27) divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. 95 divided by 5. 95 divided by 5. 84 divided by 4. 84 divided by 4. 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 56 divided by 2. Okay, this 5 sums. Today's homework. This is very easy sum. You do it yourself. Don't give your note for others. Okay, homework nee da pananum. I will find your handwriting. I know your handwriting. So don't give your note for others. Okay, Mama. This 5 sum, each sum one page. Okay, over sum over page la write pananum. Do it properly. Next one we will see the next class. Take care, children. Bye.